I made $7,500 in 3 days selling PDFs using Nano Banana. It's incredible how quickly life can shift once the right digital tool enters the picture. Most people assume making money online requires special skills, a massive following, or expensive software. Yet the truth today is very different. The internet has created a new kind of opportunity, one where anyone with a phone and a bit of curiosity can build a real digital income. Not months from now, not after learning complicated software, but right now. And one of the most powerful tools driving this wave is something called Nano Banana, a simple AI engine inside Google's Gemini app that makes creating sellable digital products faster than ever before. And the best part? You're not too late. You're right on time. Nano Banana is Google's creative powerhouse. For anyone new to it, picture an AI that can generate full stories, colorful illustrations, worksheets, planners, activity pages, all in seconds. Every day, users get free credits to generate content, so even beginners can start without spending a dime. Combine that with the booming demand for digital downloads, and you have a perfect recipe for passive income. PDFs in particular are one of the most profitable digital formats online. They're simple to make, easy to sell, and once they're uploaded, they can earn money endlessly. No inventory, no shipping, no maintenance. And here's the part most people overlook. PDFs are one of the cheapest digital products to create, but they have some of the highest profit margins online. Just digital assets that continue to work long after they're created. A niche that consistently performs well is children's content, especially kids' storybooks. Parents everywhere are constantly searching for bedtime stories, learning materials, and fun animal adventures. And animal themes? They never die out. Pandas, horses, dinosaurs, these always attract attention. When Nano Banana generates an entire illustrated story in seconds, it becomes clear why this niche has become a goldmine for digital creators on platforms like Etsy and Amazon. Watch how simple this next step is. Creating these products is simpler than most people expect. The journey begins by opening the Gemini app or searching for Nano Banana on Google. Once inside, the interface is straightforward, just a prompt box waiting for instructions. A request like, create a 10-page children's story about an adventurous panda exploring a bamboo forest with colorful illustrations, is all it takes. Moments later, complete pages appear. Bright cartoons of animals, expressive characters, and easy-to-read text perfect for young readers. If the story needs more pages, the prompt can be expanded. If a specific style is desired, mentioning Dr. Seuss-style rhythm, or educational animal facts included, instantly reshapes the content. This flexibility means anyone can produce multiple professional-looking kids' books in under an hour. No drawing skills, no writing background, just strategic prompting. Once the story pages are ready, the next step is polishing them into a finished product. Canva makes this incredibly easy. It offers free kids' book templates with playful borders, fun fonts, and page layouts designed exactly for digital books. The images from Nano Banana can be downloaded and dropped straight into Canva. Text can be styled cleanly. A vibrant cover can be created in minutes, something eye-catching that stands out on an Etsy search page. Titles like Pandy's Bamboo Adventure or The Meadow Horse Journey immediately look like real children's books. After a quick export to PDF, the product is ready. But this is where 90% of people fail. Don't skip this. A PDF alone doesn't bring in sales. The secret ingredient that gets eyes on a listing is strong SEO. That's where ChatGPT comes in. A simple request like, write an Etsy title and description for a printable animal-themed children's book PDF generates a polished, keyword-rich listing. Details such as instant download, animal adventure, kids ages 4 to 7, and bright illustrations help the product rank higher in searches. ChatGPT can even provide the top 13 SEO tags Etsy requires, making the listing more discoverable from day one. With the product ready and the listing optimized, it's time to publish. Opening an Etsy shop takes just a few minutes. A friendly shop bio adds personality. Something like creating magical stories with the help of AI creativity. And then the PDF can be uploaded. The price typically ranges between $4.99 and $9.99, depending on length and detail. The Canva cover becomes the thumbnail, and the description and tags go into place. Once the Publish button is clicked, the digital product officially enters the marketplace. And that's when things often begin to move quickly. Many creators see views within hours. Children's products, especially animal stories, attract attention fast because parents search for them constantly. When listings gain traction, sales often follow in waves. Some products go viral after being shared on parenting groups or homeschooling forums. The beauty of Etsy is its built-in traffic. Millions of buyers already shopping for digital downloads. Once a listing is up, it works around the clock, even while the creator sleeps. But the true scale? This is where income doubles. Take the same PDF and upload it to Amazon KDP. Amazon has global reach, and children's books perform extremely well there. KDP allows creators to list both digital and physical versions, with Amazon handling printing and delivery. That means a single PDF can be monetized twice, once on Etsy and once on Amazon. Some animal-themed books even hit bestseller lists because parents love affordable, cute stories for their kids. And Amazon's algorithm loves consistency, meaning more books equal more visibility. What makes this entire method almost limitless is the variety of products Nano Banana can create. Kids' books are just the beginning. The same process works for printable planners, 30-day fitness journals, recipe books with illustrated dishes, school worksheets, preschool activity pages, coloring books, study guides, daily trackers, motivational journals, and workbook bundles. A prompt like, "Create a pastel-themed 30-day fitness planner with motivational quotes," generates a full planner instantly. A request such as, "Create 20 pages of Grade 1 math worksheets with cute cartoon animals," results in a complete workbook. These products sell extremely well on Etsy. Some shops make thousands per month selling nothing but digital planners and activity pages. Bundles take earnings even further. Instead of selling a single product for $4.99, creators package 3 or 4 related items together and sell them for $12 to $20. Customers love bundles because they feel like they're getting a big deal, and creators love them because they multiply revenue fast. With AI handling the heavy lifting, making 10 to 20 products in a weekend is completely realistic. This is how many digital shops scale to 5-figure monthly income without burning out. For anyone aiming to earn their first $1,000, the blueprint is simple, so listen closely. Pick one niche, create one product, don't overthink it, upload it. Track how shoppers respond using Etsy analytics. If something gets views, double down on that style, add matching products, expand the niche, offer bundles, and most importantly, stay consistent. Even one new product per day creates unstoppable momentum. Digital marketplaces reward creators who keep publishing. The opportunity is wide open. There has never been a better time to create digital products. AI tools are stronger than ever. Platforms like Etsy and Amazon are hungry for fresh content. Parents and teachers are constantly searching for creative materials, and the demand only grows. Anyone watching this right now is capable of doing this. Not someday, not after months of research, but today, right now, with the tools already available for free. Whether the goal is an extra $200 a week or a full-time income, it starts the same way. One product, one prompt, one upload. For those who want deeper guidance, there's a full passive PDF method available in the description, with advanced prompts, high-demand niche lists, and scaling steps designed for long-term growth. But even without it, everything needed to begin is already in your hands. This is the moment to start, to test, to create, to step into a new kind of income that doesn't depend on long hours or physical inventory. A digital income built from simple tools, simple prompts, and powerful AI. It's real, it's doable, and it's waiting for the next creator to take the first step. And that's why this method isn't just another side hustle. It's a real path to building income that grows even when you're not working. With simple tools and smart prompts, you can create digital products that keep selling on autopilot. If you're ready to start, check the description for the passive PDF method and grab the tools you need. And watch out for the next video coming up on your screen. It is called The Easiest Way to Make Money Online Without Any Skill. And trust me, you don't want to miss this one, because this video is going to show you a simpler way to make money you never knew about. So if you can't wait, turn on notifications so you will be the first to see it. Your first sale is closer than you think. Check out the video and go make it happen. Catch up with you there.